Driving on the tracks, so much more. Come along with all things outdoors. G'day folks, welcome back to All Things Outdoors. In keeping with my backyard adventuring of finding things local to me that I've never seen before, I saw a post on a Facebook page called Northeast Victoria Caught on Camera the other day, which I watch quite intently because it's given me some really good tips on things local to me that I can go and visit. One of which is Barry Falls. So I've come up here today to go and see Barry Falls. Considering we've had a lot of rain lately, hopefully there should be quite a bit of water going over the falls. So got about a 150 metre hike from where I've pulled up here at the end of the four-wheel drive track to go up to the falls. So let's go. It's pretty. Wow, what a beautiful waterfall. This lovely little milky pool down the bottom of it. And it's just a beautiful big sheer cliff. Oh, look at all that rock, that's amazing. Beautiful spot. So this dredge here is a gold dredge. Basically what it is, it's a big like floating pontoon thing they'll set down in the water, and it's like a massive dirt chainsaw. We've got these big buckets here that go along and scoop along the earth, and it slowly moves along and recovers all of the ore that they extract the gold out of. I believe this dredge ran for about 2 or 3 decades and extracted just over 2 tons of gold. No mean feat, I guess, considering what the price of gold is, or what it was back then. But Very interesting piece of machinery, and it's still fairly well preserved by the look of it. You can see the massive buckets on this big sort of conveyor chain here that went in and scooped the earth up and brought it up in to the sifter inside that sifted it all out, got rid of all the dirt, and gave them the raw rocks and the ore that they crush and extract the gold from. Look at those buckets, they look massive. Look how worn away they are too. Amazing. And it's sat here since 1954 unused, so not that old considering. So you can see down there just above the waterline is one of the massive electric motors that was used to drive that big belt of buckets to extract all of the ore out of the ground. I think there was 14 of them, so no mean feat. Obviously they're moving tons and tons of material at a time, so needed a lot of grunt to do that. You can see here the power distribution panels that we used to power all of those big electric motors. How the technology's come along. Well folks, that'll have to do for this impromptu little visit out to Eldorado to look at Barry Falls and the gold dredge. But as always, drop a like, hit the subscribe button and look out for more adventures from all things outdoors. Thanks guys, see you later.